Okay, Mad Max Randy here, working in the garage. Hey, working on a '73 Honda 354 cylinder motorcycle. There it is. I've had a few Hondas through the years. I've uh, I've changed tires, clutch, points, condensers, brakes, tune-up stuff. Um, but I've never had carburetors off. I mean, I drove the Hondas back in the 70s and 80s, and that's when gasoline was still pretty good. And you didn't have a lot of trouble with carburetors and stuff, man. We had lawnmowers, we leave gas in there all winter. And, they start up fine. Next summer, you start them right up, no problem. Every once in a while, maybe you might have trouble, but most of the time, didn't have any trouble. But these older bikes like this, you start running, excuse me, going shaking too much. You run this new gas in them, with alcohol and stuff. I've noticed that they have a problem, especially if you don't drain them and really maintain the carburetors on these things. They just don't run right. And I'll tell you, I get gas with no alcohol when I run these older machines like this. I don't run, just go to any gas station and get alcohol gas. I try to get it with no alcohol. Now, it's more expensive, but it seems to help these bikes a lot. So I got the parts going here. I got a few things off here. I have carburetor kits, a kit for each carburetor, and I'm going to sonic wash all the parts and inspect the carburetors, take a look at them, see what's going on. I think it's just crap in the gas, and one of the float bowls is overflowing, probably needle and seat. I can see by some of the screw heads and stuff, and you can see like right here, I don't know if this is not even tight. So I can see that someone's been in this bike before, probably for the same problem. So I'm going to make a little documentation and of my experience. So this is like step one. Mad Max trying to figure out what the heck's going on here with the bike. Okay, I'll see how it goes. I'm out.